Good afternoon. So, our lesson is about special products. And after nito, i-discuss na rin natin yung products of the sum and difference of two terms. So, open your book on page 235. Ayan. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko, since discuss na natin yung sa product of the sum and difference of two terms and yung sa using FOIL method and distributive property, hindi na natin sila i-discuss ulit. So, mag-proceed tayo dito. The area of the large square is A plus B squared. So, we have A plus B squared, which is equal to the sum of the areas of the two small squares and two rectangles. So, tignan nyo yung ating figure dyan sa taas. So, note that the two rectangles with area AB produce the middle term 2AB. So, isa-solve natin niya ang square of the two terms. So, we have the square of A binomial, which is A plus, and minus B squared is the product of A binomial when multiplied to itself. So, i-multiply natin ito sa sarili niya. So, we have A plus B times itself. We have A plus B. So, kapag ginamit natin yung FOIL method, di ba? We have first term, outer, and then inner, and then last. So, i-apply muna natin yung FOIL method bago ko ituro yung pag-multiply ng yung dito based sa book, yung sa shortcut. So, para ma-prove lang natin na same talaga yung magiging result kahit anong gamiting method. So, we have first term, A times A, we have A squared. And then, yung outer, A times B, we have
Sir, ano pong page?
AB. Page 236. And then inner, we have B times A, same lang siya sa AB. Next, we have B times B, we have B squared. So, dito, combining like terms, we have A squared. Wala siyang kamukha, kaya copy. And then, ito magkamukha sila. So, AB plus AB, we have 2AB. And, copy B squared. Yan yung kapag ginamit natin yung FOIL method. Pero dito, gamit yung sa, ang tawag dito, square of binomial, meron tayong pattern na susundan. Paano yon? So, una, ang first step is square the first term. Again, square the first term. So, kapag in-square natin yung first term, magiging, wait lang. Yan, kapag in-square natin yung first term, ito yung ating first term, tama? So, we have A squared. And then, next step is, ayan, twice the product of the first and second term. So, first is, i-multiply muna natin yung ating first and second term. Ito yung first term, ito yung second term. So, we have A times B equals AB. Kaso meron tayo dito twice. So, twice daw natin yung product ng first and second term. Wherein, ang product ng first and second term is AB. So, i-times natin to. So, magiging 2 times AB, we have 2AB. And then, last is, ito, square naman yung, kung kanina, square natin yung first term, this time, square natin yung second term. So, ano yung second term natin? We have B. So, kapag in-square natin ng B, magiging B squared. Ayan. So, pag samahin mo lang, A squared plus 2AB plus B squared is same using FOIL method. Okay? So, ito yung gagamitin natin kapag meron tayong square of binomial. Pero yung FOIL method kasi, i-apply siya kahit na yung mga magkaiba ito, magkaiba yan, ina-apply natin yung FOIL method. Pero kapag square of the first term, kailangan ito lang, isa lang siya. And then, naka-square. Ibig sabihin, i-multiply natin itong given na ito sa kanyang sarili. Okay? Naintindihan ba yan? Yung square of the binomial? Naintindihan ba yung
Opo.
square? O next, mag-proceed naman tayo dito sa products of the sum and difference of two terms. So we have here, erase ko lang. Yung A plus B naman, multiply by A minus B. Ayan. So, try muna natin i-solve using FOIL method para ma-prove ulit natin kagaya ng kanina na same yung magiging result. So, we have first term, A times A, we have A squared. And then, outer A times negative B, we have negative AB. Huwag niyong kinakalimutan yung mga sign. And positive B times positive A, we have positive AB. Next, we have positive B times negative B squared. So, combining like terms, we have A squared and then negative AB plus AB. So, since negative ito and positive ito, makakancel na yan. At ang natira dito is negative B squared. So, ngayon, gamit naman itong pag-multiply natin ng positive yung isa, negative yung isa, yung difference of squares. Ang gagawin lang natin dyan, tandaan nyo lang is square the first term and then minus the square of, or minus, and then square the second term. Ayan. So, magiging, una, ang gagawin is square the first term. We have, yung first term natin ay A. So, we have A squared minus square the second term. We have B. B squared. So, same lang siya dito. O, naintindihan? Basta tandaan, kapag dun sa square of binomial, i-multiply siya sa sarili niya, ang kailangan gawin, square muna yung first term, tapos i-add siya dun sa twice the product of first and second term, and then last one is square naman yung second term. Pero this time, kapag i-multiply yung binomial, ang gagawin, kapag positive, tag dito, kapag yung isa positive, yung isa negative, pero same yung kanilang terms, so we have to square the first term and then minus, and then square the second term. So, magiging ganito yung result. So, magta-try pa tayo ng iba. So, for example, we have, itong sa accuracy, we have 4x minus 5. Tapos yung isa, positive. So, 4x plus 5. So, ang gagawin lang is square natin itong first term. So, magiging 4x squared minus square the second term. We have negative 5 squared. So, i-apply natin yung mga laws of exponent kapag dalawa ito. So, we have 4 and x. I-substitute lang natin ito. Or i-distribute, I mean, sa 4 and sa x. So, magiging 4 squared. Pag 4 squared, that is 4 times 4 equals 16. And then x, i-distribute ulit yung squared. So, we have x squared. And minus, ito, negative 5 squared. Ibig sabihin, negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. So, we have 16x squared minus 25. Nagets? Nagets? Nasundan? O another, sige. we have 2a plus 3 times 2a minus 3. Ayan. Tandaan nyo ha, yung magkaiba lang nila yung kanilang operation. So, kapag sinolve natin yan, we have 2a squared. Square natin yan. Minus, yung second term, we have 3. Square natin. So, 2, i-distribute itong exponent na 2. So, we have 2 squared or 2 times 2 equals 4. And then yung a squared. Minus 3 squared, ibig sabihin 3 times 3, we have 9. So, the answer is 4a squared minus 9. Clear ba sa inyo yan? Clear ba sa
Sir,
inyo?
parang medyo nahihirapan po ako.
Nahihirapan. O, sige, mag-try pa
Bakit po
tayo.
yung dun sa number 9, inalis na po yung square?
Alin?
Yung dun po sa number 9, inalis na po yung square. Pero dun
Ang
po
number
sa
9. Ito?
4, 8, yun po.
Paano inalis yung square?
Hindi na po sinama yung...
Sinolve natin, anak. Ayan, no? Sinolve na natin. 3 squared, ibig sabihin 3 times 3. That is 9. Tapos naman dito, square kasi natin yan pareho. Yung 2 muna, 2 squared, ibig sabihin 2 times 2, that is 4. And yung a squared kasi, the answer is a squared. Kaya hindi natin tatanggalin yung squared dito. Okay? Okay na, Lucy?
Opo, thank you po.
Okay. So, nalilito pa daw si Brian. So, let's have this bibigay ko naman yung another, variable. X plus y times x minus y. So, pareho sila, pero magkaiba itong positive, ito negative. Okay? So, ang gagawin is square lang natin itong first term. So, we have x squared minus, square natin itong second term. We have y squared. The answer is x squared minus y squared. O, another one, lagyan natin ng number. 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2. O, ang gagawin is, square natin tong first term. We have 3x squared minus, itong second term, we have 2 squared. So, we have 3 and x. I-distribute natin sa 2. Magiging 3 squared x squared minus 2 squared. So, isolve. 3 times 3, that is 9. X squared, copy. Minus 2 squared, that is 4. So, minus 4. The answer is 9x squared minus 4. Nasusundan?
Teacher, ano po yung 2 dito? Yung sa may
Saan?
ano? Ito po, teacher. Yung 2 sa may negative at saka positive.
Saan yun? Saan yan, nak? Dito? Ito? Positive 2. Tapos negative 2. Given yan. So, kapag minultiply, 4.
Okay po.
Okay? Okay na?
Magta-times lang po, teacher.
Oo. Hindi to, halimbawa ito, 3 times 2, hindi siya ganun ha. Di ba kapag may exponent tayo, siya ang nagsasabi kung ilang beses mo multiply itong base, yung nasa baba. So, 3, tapos dalawa ito, kaya dalawang beses. 3 times 3, that is 9. Tapos x times x, that is x squared. And then, 2 times 2, that is 4. Kaso negative to. So, negative 4. Okay? Gets na, Brian?
Opo.
Okay, so, sige, mag-try tayo dito. Number 2. Nasagutan na natin yung number, 1. So, we have number 2. 8x minus 4y times 8x plus 4y. So, same lang. Yung first is, ito, 8x. Square natin. Minus, ito, square natin. 4y. O, i-distribute mo na yung 2. So we have 8 squared and then x squared minus the 4 squared y squared. So 8 squared, that is 8 times 8, okay? So 64. And x times x, we have x squared. Minus 4 squared, 4 times 4, we have 16. Then y squared, y times y, we have y squared. So this is the final answer. O, nakakasunod? Nakakasunod na? Anyone? Nasusundan na?
Teacher, anong page po ulit, teacher?
242. Nasa 242 na tayo.
Thank you po.
Okay, so the answer, ang tawag niyan sa sagot natin is parang difference of squares. Ito.
Lagi lang pong bibigyan ng squared, teacher, yung mga
Alin?
kapag po.
A tsaka B, yung first term mo tsaka second term, sila ang ni-square. Okay? Bali, magiging parang ganito siya. A, square mo, minus B, square mo. Yung A, yun yung first term mo, yung B mo, yun yung second term mo. Okay? Another one. 2n plus 5. 2n minus 5. O, yung first term mo, alin? Itong 2n. O, square natin. 2n squared minus. O, ano yung second mo? Itong 5. 5 squared. So, distribute itong 2. We have 2 squared n squared minus 5 squared. So, isolve. 2 times 2, 4. N times n, n squared. Minus 5 times 5, 25. So, the answer is 4n squared minus 45. Nasusundan? Nasusundan nyo ba? Mahirap? Nasusundan nyo o mahirap?
Nasusundan po.
Nasusundan naman. So, ganyan lang naman yung diniscuss natin. Yung una, tandaan, kapag sa sarili niya, halimbawa, ito, 2a plus 3 squared. Ibig sabihin, i-multiply lang natin sa sarili niya. Pero, meron tayong sinusunod na step. Yung una, isi-square mo muna yung first term. Ang first term natin ay 2a. So, i-square natin yan. Plus, yung twice the product ng first and second term. O, i-multiply mo muna. 2a times 3, that is 6a. Kasi 2 times 3, that is 6. Tapos yung a. And then, i-times daw natin siya sa 2. So, 6a times 2, we have 12a. O, wag ko muna i-solve. Sige. Twice the product of first term and second term. And then, next is the square of the second term. We have 3. O, i-solve. Yung 2 dito, i-distribute. We have 2 times 2, 4. And then a squared or a times a, that is a squared. Next, i-multiply mo muna ito. 2a times 3, that is 6a. Times 2, that is 12a. O, next. 3 squared or 3 times 3, we have 9. O, pagsamahin mo lang sila, we have 4a squared plus 12a plus 9. Ayan. So, kahit gamitin mo man yung FOIL method, ang makukuha mo pa rin is still ganito. Okay? Pero dito sa pangalawang sinolve natin, yung difference of square is dalawa lang. Yung first term i-square mo minus yung second term i-square mo. So, makukuha mo na yung answer. Any question? May question dun sa mga diniscuss ko ngayon? Dalawa lang yon. May question? So, iba't ibang method yung mga yon. Okay? Depende dun sa mga given natin. So, kung wala ng questions, next meeting, i-discuss na natin yung sa cube of a binomial. Kanina, square of a binomial. So, ngayon, cube. Kapag sinabing cube of a binomial, Ang exponent natin this time is 3 na, hindi na 2. Okay? Okay na? So, let's end this recording.